There.
I'm putting with eyeliner. Are you videotaping Kaylee?
Yep.
You're gonna see at the end. You're gonna see at the end.
Fuck you.
You're gonna see at the end.
No, I don't want to see it at all.
Don't! Ugh. Stop! I need. No, that's in my straw. Don't do that! You're gonna break my powder.
I'll break your mom's powder.
That is my mom's powder.
Emily, I found Kaylee's boyfriend. Kind of. That's a girl. Never mind.
Yeah, that's a girl. Look up. Look up.
Shut up.
Oh, we love you. Look up.
I didn't even say anything, bitch.
I'm joking. I love you.
That is kind of gross.
Alright. Look up. Look up. Look up. You like going through in the car.
Minute and 25 seconds, and she hasn't got hardly anything done.
No. Stop checking out the old lady. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Don't fucking die.
It doesn't take 5 minutes to fucking do this.
My feet burn.
It doesn't take this long to do one eye. Well, it kind of does. See, with you.
What am I doing wrong?
Don't you dare.
Wait, look. It looks okay.
Yes, actually it does. It's a wee bit hot. I look hot! Like, right?
I know I'm too tall for you.
Look at you. Okay, let me see the camera.
It's still going.
Look at the sexy mom.